The following video will cover the production dashboard. We will go over how to use the production batch dashboard as well as the production real-time dashboard. Okay, let's go to control. Let's start off by taking a look at the production batch dashboard. You would use the production batch dashboard to enter in your actual usage into the system. To do so, you would click on load from order, and then you want to click on your search button to select the correct order. And once we select the correct order, it's going to pull up all the line items attached to that job, as well as we will be able to see all of the parts that are linked to the job. So we can select some of the parts, or we can come to the top and actually select everything or every part associated with that job, and then click on our fill columns button, and it's going to create part usage cards for each of the different parts. And then we want to go ahead and fill out the information associated with each of those parts. And once that information is filled out, once we have, of course, our order number, the actual part, the quantity, in this case is the material usage that was used. If it's a labor part, we're going to have to put in the straight time or overtime that was used to or that was clocked onto that particular part. Once we have that time in the system and those material usage set for those part usage cards, we would then click on the post button, and then that's going to actually update that order's parts actual usage amounts. The other production dashboard is the production real-time. This dashboard could be mainly used by the production manager. On this dashboard, you have the ability to see all WIP orders and line items associated with that WIP order. So by me clicking on a order in this particular instrument, I can see all line items associated with that job. Below the line items for the order is the part usage card instrument, and it's the same exact instrument as the production batch. So the production manager can come here and enter in a usage card just like any other employee, as well as they have the ability to update the progress of an order. So if you're using stations within the system, or you want the production manager to change the status of a job, they can come here and select that particular order, or select another order. In this case, this selected order is looking at the highlighted order at the top, and then you can change the status of that job, due dates, what status the order is in, and things of that nature. Over on the left hand side is the time clock employee list, as well as an instrument to clock in and out of jobs. The production manager can see the status of all employees, what job they're working on, by actually scrolling over. and they can see the actual order number. Let's open this a little bit so we can get more of a view. As well as they can clock on or out of particular jobs. So I can actually put in, clock in, be associated with a certain status. Whenever it's time for me to clock onto another job, I can change my status, clock on the order, or put in the order, and then change the status to the appropriate status that I'm working in. This will conclude the video.